Let's head over to Caymanas Park, where grooms operating at Caymanas Park have had one aspect of their duties made easier. The regulatory body, the Jamaica Racing Commission, presented members of the Grooms Association of Jamaica with safety vests on Wednesday.
The duties of grooms are considered quite dangerous, especially when they operate at nights and also in the wee hours. In an effort to mitigate against some of the hazards they face, the Jamaica Racing Commission has come to their aid with the presentation of reflector vests to use on their journeys to the pool and the sea, and also for early morning exercise at Caymanas Park.
In recent times, we have had incidents in the Portmore environs where a car hit down horses and all of that. We would feel grave responsibility in the event that anything should happen to any of y'all. All right? These vests are state-of-the-art designs. We want something that from hundreds of meters away, the cars are picking you up. And we can tell you that these vests have been tried and tested, and we're satisfied that it will bring an added safety for you guys in the mornings.
Senior JRC veterinarian Dr. Sophia Ramlal has been very instrumental in helping the regulatory body to secure safety gear for the grooms.
The idea being you can identify yourselves, you're identifiable as horsemen when you're traversing the communities very late at night or very early in the morning, and that it brings safety. Motorists are able to see you. Horses, we are working on the reflective gear for them as well. We do have some things that we are encouraging jockeys to use, such as reflective blinking lights in the mornings when they're walking. And this is just step one of what we hope to be a good partnership with the municipality in terms of improving the safety and welfare of grooms.
President of the Grooms Association of Jamaica, Fabian White, made a special appeal to the members of his association.
I want to see you wear these gears. Early in the morning, the track is very dark. We need more lighting. On the road, going to see, it's very dark. And we must give thanks and praise that somebody really, because remember we always say nobody no care for us. This is a different ball game. People do cares, and who cares? The regulatory body. They're showing us. They're not only promising us, they talk and they do. And I appreciate that.
The JRC had made a commitment at the two-day Grooms and Farriers seminar in October to provide the reflector vest and other safety gear for the grooms. 30 of the 80 vests were presented at Wednesday's handing over in the trainer's room at Caymanas Park. Spencer Darlington, TVJ Sports.